Good morning. Good morning, first PUC students. Yesterday discussed completed the compound angles. Today the new topic is trigonometric equations. Okay. So what is the trigonometric equation definition? Equation is nothing but equal to 0. Okay, x plus y is equal to 0 means this is a normal equation. So trigonometric equation means that equation involving trigonometric functions. The equation involving trigonometric function. For example, sin x plus x is equal to 0, sin x plus tan x plus 5 equal to 0, this type. The equation must be involving trigonometric functions. So equations involving trigonometric functions of a variables called trigonometric equations. Equation A. But particularly trigonometric equation means in the equation must be involving trigonometric functions. What is the trigonometric functions? Sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, this type of functions. Okay. Next, principal solution. The solution of a trigonometric equation, principal solution is a solution, but solution is limited in interval. The solutions of a trigonometric equation for which 0 to 2 pi, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 pi are called principal solutions. Every equation has a solutions, but the solution, the limited solution, 0 to 2 pi. In the 0 to 2 pi, only 0 to 2 pi, in the 0 to 2 pi, our solution is what is called principal solution. Okay. Next, general solution. General solution is one of the solution, but there is no limited. Okay. The expression involving integer n, which gives all solutions of a trigonometric equation. All solutions. What is the difference between principal solutions and general solution? Principal solution is nothing but a solution, but limited in between 0 to 2 pi. So general solution is a solution, but all solutions of the trigonometric function, all solutions of a trigonometric equation is called general solution. We shall use z denote up to z. Z is a integer. We shall use the z. X is equal to what n belongs to. So this is z means integers. We shall use z to denote by integers. So some formulas, only simply 5 formulas. For example, sin x is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to 0 when x is equal to what? X is equal to sin 0, 0. Sin 0, 0. Only one solution. Sin x is 0, only x is equal to 0? No. X is equal to pi, sin 180 degrees, sin 180 is equal to 90 plus 90, 90 plus a quadrant to second quadrant, in second quadrant sin positive, so 90 plus means sin convert into cos, so cos 90 0, the sin 0 0 ne first quadrant, sin pi 0 ne, 2 pi 0 ne, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi, n is the integer. So where n is the integer. Next. So first of all, sin x is equal to 0 means x is equal to n pi. Here n is equal to what? Integer. N is equal to integer. So 0 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, any pi, sin x is 0. Any pi, sin x is 0. Next. Cos x will equal 0 when x is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, only 90 degrees in 270 also, cos 270 also 0, cos 270 also 0, 270, 450, this one. So this is the formula. Cos x is equal to 0 when x is equal to n is equal to 0. 0 means pi by 2. Next 1 means 3 pi by 2. 2 means 5 pi by 2. All odd pi's. 0, 1 pi, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2. Odd number into pi by 2. The cos x is always 0. This is the formula. When cos x is equal to 0, only x 90, this is not correct, 90 is not 0, in first quadrant 90. Okay, so this is the formula, very useful formulas, so listen carefully. Next, sin x is equal to sin y. Sin x is equal to sin y, not 0, any value, sin x is equal to 1 by 2, sin x is equal to root 3 by 2, this type one. Sin x is equal to sin when x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into y, where n is integers, where n is integer. Next one, okay, this is very important formula. So okay, next once again, what is the trigonometric equation? Equation involving the trigonometric functions of a variables. Next, what is principal the solution of a trigonometric equation for which 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x less than pi, called principal solution. Okay, next, for general solution, the expression involving integer n which gives all solutions of a trigonometric